Welcome to another episode of Awesome Wheels, where we show you everything awesome on wheels. Today we have a Team Transport Hot Wheels Premium 2 set. This is an NHRA drag racing set. Up on top we have the 1974 Chevrolet Vega, and it's a pro stock because it's a drag racing modified Vega. And over here we have the Horizon Hauler. Over here in the back we have the whole set. So these are different sets that you can collect. There's actually even more of these. The whole kind of like tow truck and car duo. There's a whole bunch of other ones. I'm going to be showing you guys some of those. I was kind of wanting to get this one. It actually comes in gray. And it has a different type of tow truck, the Skyline. But this one, the Advan Sakura Sprinter type wagon or box truck is different than the gray one. I'll be showing you guys a couple of those pictures in a little bit. But the one we have here today is this one. When I picked this up, this was at a local Target. They also had the Ford Rally Van, and they also had the Volkswagen available. But since I'm building a drag racing or a drag strip here soon for this channel, I thought the drag racing car was more suitable for what I want to do. So let's go ahead and open this up. For my ASMR fans, this is your moment. And this is a little bit bigger than a regular Hot Wheels, so there's going to be more ASMR sounds here coming up. Here we go. All right, let's go ahead and put that off to the side. Let's see if we can break into this. All right, there we go. It has a little protective on the inside. Some Hot Wheels have this. When the little boxes, they also have this little plastic inside. Not all of them though. Let's go ahead and we saw the Vega's already trying to slide out. So let's go ahead and open this up carefully. And here we go. Here we have the 2 set. All right, let's go ahead and place this down real quick. So right off the bat, we have the Vega. This looks really nice. That front looks kind of like a Ford front, but it actually has the Chevrolet right there. Kind of grill in the front. You guys can kind of see the little rivets in the kind of like the the race car hood pins, the little scoop of course in the front. We got smaller tires in the front and bigger tires in the back. So this is kind of what I was explaining to you guys earlier with the whole real riders. That whole real rider, see the little tire next to it? That means that it has actual like real rubber tires on it. The feel of it is an actual rubber. Okay, and then the whole metal thing right here that it says is because if you guys haven't noticed, all Hot Wheels are either metal bottom or metal top. They're never metal unless it's something like this where it says metal. So if a Hot Wheels is metal on the bottom, it'll be a plastic top, or metal top, plastic bottom. But this is of course metal. Here we have the Summit logo and the NHRA, of course, because this is the NHRA Drag Racing Summit package or team. All right, in the bottom here we have, it says 74 Chevrolet Vega Pro Stock. All right, so we have the little wheelie bar here in the back, and of course, the parachute. You can kind of see inside it has a little bit of a roll cage. It has a full roll cage on there. A little steering wheel. And yeah, I like the rims on this. They look very, very realistic. I like how they look. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our Horizon hauler. Okay, so this is, I'm guessing, a Chevy truck as well. Let's see what this says. It just says Horizon hauler. If anybody knows what type of truck this is, comment it. I can't see, I don't know if that's GMC or what is that in the front. If it's a logo or something. I like the realistic headlight look on this. And then we have, of course, the real rubber tires. You can kind of see the little grooves on there, which you don't see that on a regular Hot Wheel. On the Chevy, we see the slicks in the back because, of course, but they're rubber. Okay, they're not like the regular plastic Hot Wheel tires. And I want to see if this opens up or it kind of slides back. Even though you can't really pull this back or anything, it still looks pretty cool all together. When you go ahead and put the car on top of it, it has a little, you see these grooves back here? It has those grooves so that the car doesn't go anywhere kind of once you put it on there. Okay, you could put a different size car as well. But overall, put together, it's a really cool set, especially for some of the promo pictures that I'm going to be doing for my drag racing set or drag strip that I'm doing for this channel, which I'll be showing you guys a little bit more of that in a second. But yeah, this is the Team Transport. This is the Summit NHRA Drag Racing Chevy Vega Horizon hauler set. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be different content coming up for the channel, which, like I said, it's gonna be some racing with Tiburon Mountain. I'll be showing you guys the logo and some of the promo for that in a second. But yeah, hope you guys have an awesome holiday, and I'll see you guys soon.